Competitor analysis. In this chapter, we will cover competitor analysis. Competitor analysis is one of the research method to understand the strength and weakness of your competitor's product or services. Topics we are going to cover in this module are: what is competitor analysis, why competitor analysis so important, how to conduct competitor analysis, also best practices to conduct competitor analysis. We also going to show few of the references which you can read from the external website, also some report also we are going to add. What is competitor analysis? Competitor analysis identifies the strength and weakness of competitors' product or services. First, we will try to understand the term competitor. Competitor will be there for every business, whether it can be a hotel, it can be a e-commerce website, it can be a finance company, or it can be any type of business. We always have a competitor. Just imagine, I want to start a new restaurant in my area. Generally what we do, we identify list of restaurants is available in my area, whether restaurant type is Indian or Chinese, also whether it's a vegetarian hotel or non-vegetarian hotel, and how is the taste of the food and restaurant environment and what is the price range. Okay, so we will compare all the aspects, only then I can make a better restaurant to match the competitor, also to match the end users need. If I don't match my competitors or my end users expectation, I may not survey in the market, or if I don't understand about my competitor's strength or weakness, I may not succeed in restaurant business, correct? So, conducting competitor analysis, one of the very important activity for any business, whether it can be a small scale business or a large scale business. Competitor analysis one of the important research method. What we are going to do, the same logic we are going to apply our UX process. Before that, just wanted to know, to conduct a competitor analysis, do you think we need to know some software knowledge or any tools knowledge? Answer is no. Even you can conduct a competitor analysis in paper or pencil also. Quickly, what we can do is, we discussed about the restaurant. Okay, how to conduct a competitor analysis for restaurant, quickly we will see. See this example, where we create quick, paper pencil is more than enough for us to conduct a competitor analysis. What you need to do is, first write down all the list of competitor restaurant is available in my area. Then list out features or parameters which we need to compare, like a restaurant type, restaurant what all food they serve, like veg, non-veg, and food like Indian or South Indian or Chinese, and list of branches, services, etc. Then compare it with the strength and weakness. Also, then your competitor analysis report is ready, isn't it? Same technique we are applying into UX process to design a software, to design a product designing, to design a website or mobile application. Whether you are creating new product from scratch or designing your existing product, competitor analysis very important activity, especially in user experience process. Why competitor analysis so important? Most of the time when we decided to buy a new product, generally what we do, we may go to shop or we may browse through e-commerce websites like a Flipkart or Amazon. Then we compare the prices, user reviews, ratings, delivery date, return policy, etc. When product features are all same but only there is a difference in price range, what we do generally, we will see where will I'll get a more benefit. Based on that I will decide a product, isn't it? The same way, in case if there are some features it's missing in our product, only because of this, if product is fail, then product may not succeed. Only because of this I need to understand my competitors, I need to understand strength and weakness, only then we can create a better product. Okay, I just want to tell you one more example. When we started internet, okay, so most of you may not know this brand now, okay, however before 10 years there are many email service providers was there. One was Yahoo, Hotmail, Rediff, Sifi, like there are many email service providers. That too, Yahoo was number one. When Gmail introduced the email services, they conduct a competitor analysis to understand strength and weakness of these service providers. One of the important factor which a Gmail identified was Yahoo have wonderful feature like a chat, but if I want to utilize this service, I need to download 24 MB file, Yahoo Messenger, I need to download, I need to install to utilize this service. This is what the biggest challenges what user used to face. Then Gmail introduced, see all the email services are same, whether you use Yahoo, whether you use a Hotmail, whether you use a Rediff, every email service are same, but only difference where Gmail made was all the chat facility they brought within a interfaces. This was the biggest change. Also they added lot of features compared to competitor analysis. Okay, so always we need to understand users pain point and features, only then we can survive in the market. So now I'm sure most of you use Gmail as a primary email services. Now you know rest of the brand which I mentioned currently where they stand in the market. Understood why competitor analysis is important? Also there are many benefits to conduct competitor analysis: to increase the sales, also to survive in the market, and to understand the gap, to understand where we are standing our product in the market, to know the strength and weakness of competitors, to focus your efforts in the target market.